Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to create your very first Java application using Eclipse IDE. And today I'll guide you on writing a simple Hello World program. So, download natin yung Eclipse. So, na-download ko na kanina and dito ko siya dinownload. Diyan. Then, pag na-download na, open lang natin. And you can see the welcome screen. So, close it to and go to workplace. So, click lang natin yung file, then new, then click JavaScript, Java project, I mean. So, makikita dito is project name, yan. So, write a project name, example, Giancarlo, best 2D. So, leave lang natin yung settings na to as default and click natin. So, ganun din lang. Leave lang natin as default and finish. So, you can see naka-create na tayo ng Java project. So, ngayon, gawa tayo ng Java class. So, new, then hanapin lang natin yung class. Then, so dito naman, ilagay lang natin yung provide ni sir na hello printer. So, leave lang din natin as default and dito pala which method stub would you like to create. So, click lang natin itong public static void main. Then, okay na din finish. So, makikita nyo. So, this define a class name hello printer which is the blueprint for our program. And this is the entry point of the program. And it tells Java where to start running the code. So, write natin yung code. So, let's run our program and see the output. So, click natin to, yung green run. And pwede naman control plus F11. So, click natin. Okay. So, you can see the console. hello world nakalagay. And just like that, we've successfully written and run our first Java program. So, yun lang. So, pwede din natin tong i-debug. So, kunwari, nakalimutan natin yung semicolon. Then, pag rinan natin, so, pwede natin ditong i-debug. So, you can see may error siya. So, sinabi dito na unresolved compilation problem. So, nakalimutan natin yung syntax na semicolon. Tawag natin. Run. And that's it. We've written a basic Hello World application. So, and this simple program might seem small, but it's a powerful first step in learning Java and understanding programming concept. And so, thank you for joining me today. If you have any question